Hello children, welcome back to your online class. Hope you all are safe and doing well. So children, let's continue our chapter 2, Teeth and its care. Before starting my video, I want to say something to you. Children, some of you are doing their home assignments very well. They are mentioning their name on each sheet of their home assignment. Also, in the mail on at the subject box, they are writing which assignment they are sending. Also, they are attempting all the questions whatever is given in home assignments, including worksheets. But some children are not taking interest in their home assignments. Even some of you are not watching the videos and not reading the chapter thoroughly. Children, if you watch the video and you will read the chapter, you will get all the answers. Some of you are searching the answers in internet and I don't know from where they are writing the answers. So please don't do that. Write the answers as per your book. Okay, watch the video, read the chapters and write the correct answers in your home assignments. Also, some children are not sending worksheet work. Okay, you have to send that work also. What I said, whatever is given in your home assignment, you have to send all the questions. Okay, so do your worksheet in your book, and question answers always you have to do in your fair notebook of science. Okay, then all the pictures you should send to correct email address. Clear? Hope you all understand all the things very well, and now you all will send your assignments timely. Okay, so let's continue our chapter. So children, in our last video we have learned about the structure of a tooth and kinds of teeth. Now we all know how important teeth are for us, so we must take care of our teeth. So today's topic is teeth and its care, how we can care our teeth. Children, like other body parts, our teeth also need proper care. Okay, and if we do not care for our teeth, we will suffer from various type of teeth problem. What these problems are? The tooth related problems. Number one, toothache. You all know it is very painful. And second, tooth decay when tooth is fallen down. Okay, then cavities when there becomes a hole in your teeth. Okay, it's also painful because from that hole only germs enter in the root of our teeth. Okay, then swollen gums when your gums swallow, and it's also very painful, and sometimes blood comes out from them, and bad breathing is also occur. Then plaque is a sticky yellow layer on the teeth that is known as plaque. Now children, what happens when we eat food and after that if we do not rinse or we do not brush our teeth, the food particles, small food particles get stuck into our mouth, okay, on our teeth, and then a sticky yellow layer, just now I have told you that plaque is formed on the teeth. Okay, actually this plaque is formed by the germs which grow on the food particles that stuck on the tooth. Okay, so that on those food particles germs grow, and these germs secrete an acid. That acid is very harmful for our teeth. What it does, it dissolves the enamel. You all know enamel is very important for us. You all know what is enamel, this white layer which is visible to you, that on the teeth, and this is the hardest part of our body. That enamel is dissolved by that acid which is secreted by the germs, and thus our tooth becomes very weak, and this secretion of acid dissolve the enamel and causes the tooth to decay. Okay, so this is very important to brush your teeth. Okay, the plaque and the tooth decay both are very harmful for us, and it can cause bad breath, swollen gums, and cavity, means various type of diseases can be caused by these. Okay, so we must take care of our teeth. So children, let us revise what we have learned. What is plaque? The sticky yellow layer formed on the teeth due to breeding of germs is called plaque. Now second thing is, why do tooth decay? Food particles get stuck between the teeth. If we don't brush, germs grow on these particles and secrete an acid which dissolves the enamel and causes tooth to decay. I hope this is clear to you. So children, what can we do to protect our teeth? First thing which comes in our mind is brushing. Okay, so brushing is very important to take care of our teeth. Okay, now brush is very important. We must take a good brush to brushing our teeth, and a good quality toothpaste also. Okay, and how many times we have to brush? At least twice a day. Okay, regularly we have to brush twice a day, in the morning and in the night before going to bed. Okay, children, do you know what is the meaning of brush? Brush is BRUSH. B for brushing, R removes, U useless, S sticky, H hidden particles. So brushing removes useless, sticky, hidden particles from our teeth. So brushing is very important. Now how you brush your teeth, it is also very much important, because you must brush your teeth in a proper way, means up and down, in and out, all the sides, in a little force. Okay, you have to brush your teeth like this, in circular motion, and in up and down. Okay, and in and out, like this properly you have to brush your teeth. Okay, now third thing is, always rinse your mouth after every meal. Whatever you eat, after that you must rinse your mouth with clean water. Okay, now fourth one is, clean your tongue. Okay, tongue also gets food particles now, so just clean your tongue with the help of tongue cleaner. You all must have seen that tongue cleaner. Okay, and then massage your gums. Okay, because inside the gums only root is fixed of our teeth, so care of gums is equally important as the care of teeth. Okay, so we, after the brushing, you just massage your gums with a little force and with your finger. Okay, but your finger should be very clean. Okay, then only you enter your finger into your mouth. Okay, so after whenever you brush, after that you just massage slightly to your gums. Now one more thing which you won't like. What is that? Avoid sweets, too much sweets and chocolates. You can take a little, but too much sweets and chocolates are very harmful for your teeth. Okay, also avoid the junk food, because it's a main cause of cavity. Okay, so you should avoid too much sweets, chocolates, and junk food, and you should take healthy food. Okay, like hard fruits, apple, and you should take nuts also. Okay, so these are all are healthy food, you should take these. After that, you must visit your dentist. At least after every 6 months you should go to your dentist Do not wait then when something will happen with our teeth, then only we will go to the dentist. Okay, if toothache will be there or cavity will be there, then only we will go to the dentist. After every 6 months you must visit to your dentist to protect your teeth from any type of disease. Okay, so these were the points to protect our teeth. Children, what we have learned? Let's revise once. How can we protect our teeth? So first one is, we must brush our teeth twice a day. Once in the morning and before going to bed at night. Now second thing, brush your teeth properly up and down, in and out. Third one, rinse your mouth after every meal with clean water. After that, clean your tongue using a tongue cleaner. Then massage your gums with your finger. Then avoid eating too much sweets and chocolates. Then visit your dentist regularly. And last one is, avoid junk food and eat healthy food. So these are the habits which can protect our teeth. Children, we have completed this chapter. Now before ending the video, what I will do? I will solve worksheet 2 of this chapter which I have given you in your 4th home assignment. And what you will do? You will compare your answers with my answers, and if any correction is needed, you will do that in your book so that you won't do any mistake in your exams. Okay? So let's solve our worksheet 2. So children, this is worksheet 2 of chapter 2 given on page number 25. So first question is, unscramble the letters to reveal the 3 parts of tooth. So first one will become crown, C-R-O-W-N. Second one is neck, N-E-C-K. And third one is root, R-O-O-T, root. Now question number 2, tick the correct option. The part of the tooth which is visible to us. Yes, this is crown. Now question number 3 is, fill in the blanks with the options given below. Here some options are given. Okay, now first one is, incisors are also called cutting teeth. Second, premolars are also called cracking teeth. The hard layer below the enamel is also called dentine. Then there are 2 canines in each jaw. Okay, spellings you can see from these options. Now question 4, match the following. First one, broad teeth, you will match it with option B, premolars. Second, sharp and cone shaped teeth, you will match it with option A, canines. Then central part of tooth, that is pulp, so you will match it with the option D. And fourth one, outer white hard layer of tooth, that you all know, enamel, you will match it with option E. Now next question, question 5 is, identify the following teeth. You can do it easily. First one is incisors, I-N-C-I-S-O-R-S. Second one is canine, C-A-N-I-N-E, canine. Third one is premolar, P-R-E-M-O-L-A-R. And fourth one is molar, M-O-L-A-R. Now question number 6, complete the table. Here teeth is given, incisors, then upper jaw, number of incisors in upper jaw is 4, lower jaw is 4, so total 8 are here. Now canines in upper jaw, 2 canines are there, in lower jaw 2 canines are there, so total 4 canines are there. Now premolars, 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw, so total 8 are there. Now molars, 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw, so total 12 molars are there. So just match your answers. Then if any correction is needed, just do them in your book. So this much for today. Until our next video, be safe, stay at home and take care.